Good morning, good afternoon. This is Sotam City, the technician. So today, our tutorial, I will be helping you to set up the clock on your equipment, okay? So I show you. So here you have the microwave and the coffee from Keurig. So I'm gonna arrange the clock here. So you push clock, and now it's 11:24. Good, and you start. Okay, so now it's done for this one, for the microwave. And now for the coffee Keurig. So it's very easy. You go to set time, you push on set time, and you arrange the clock. So it was 11. Oh, hold on. Set clock. It was 11:24 now, a.m. 11:24 is good. So it's all good. So it's set. You're good to go. So I recap. So basically, you just push on clock and you play with it. So it's very easy, very intuitive. So thank you for tuning in, and I leave you with a message from Flavor Flav. You know what time it is. You know the time, boy. Yeah, boy. Thanks. Have a good one. See you next time. You know the time.